Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a challenging problem sum that appeared in PSLE 2015. The reason why I have chosen this question is because recently we held the parents workshop and we realized that even most of the adults couldn't solve this question. In this video, you will learn how to identify concepts from problem sums and learn how to solve after knowing the concepts, and most importantly, you will be able to find the answer in just 2 minutes rather than 10 minutes. You might be thinking, what are concepts? Concepts are like shortcuts to problem sums. As we all know, there are a lot of different methods to solve a mathematical problem, but concepts will help you in finding the easiest and the fastest one. There are in total of 14 concepts that are commonly tested under the PSLE syllabus. And today, the question that I'm going to share with you applies the concept of two ifs, and in particular, type 3. Let's take a look at the question. In this question, Yan filled two types of bottles, both large and small, with the drink she made. She filled 3 large bottles as shown in the diagram over here and 5 small bottles with 7.2 liters of the drink. Now moving on to the next part of the question, she could not fill another large bottle with the remaining drink as she was short of 0.5 liter. From this word itself, I will be able to tell that the amount of drink that she made is not just 7.2 liter, but slightly more. How much more? That is for us to find out later. And then instead, this is a very important keyword because it tells us that there is another story that follows. She filled another small bottle and had 0.3 liter of the drink left. This question comes in two parts, part A and part B, and it's a 4 marks question. As such, you are only allowed to spend a maximum of 6 minutes on this question. Now give it a try before I share with you the answer. I hope you have tried yourself. I will be sharing with you the answers first. So the answer for part A is 0.8 liter and for part B is 8.1 liter. If you didn't get the correct answer, it's okay. You can watch the rest of the video and I'll be sharing with you how I actually derived these answers. So let's take a look at part A. How many more liters of drink did each large bottle hold than each small bottle? To solve this, I will make use of the modeling method. As I mentioned at the start of the question, the total drink is something unknown. So I will use a bar to represent the total drink. And then I will draw a red line down to compare with the situations that I have later. So this is the one given in the question, 3 large bottles plus 5 small bottles, which add up to be 7.2 liters. The first situation is such that if Yang wants to fill another large bottle, she will be short of 0.5 liter. Whereas in the second situation, I also have 3 large bottles and 5 small bottles. But this time round, if Yan wants to fill a small bottle, she will have left with 0.3 liters. So comparing the question asks me to find the difference between 1 large bottle and 1 small bottle. To do this, let's focus on the last part of the model, which is over here. The difference of 1 large bottle and 1 small bottle will just be 0.5 liter plus 0.3 liter. And that's where I get the answer for part A, which is equals to 0.8 liter. Because of the keyword instead in the question, I'm able to identify that the concept for this question is two if. Knowing the concept itself, it will help me to solve the question in just 1.5 minutes. If you want to find out how I solve part B using the concept of simultaneous equations, please click on the link below inside the description. See you there!